For individuals with ADHD, there's a lot more risk of getting into car accidents. There are more infractions that occur, speeding tickets, moving violations, all those sorts of things.
So previous research showed that an automation system in a car decreased the situation awareness of the driver in a way that they actually overtrust these systems. This is more risky for young drivers, and specifically for young drivers with ADHD.
For this project, my students and I are assessing how specific aspects of attention relate to vulnerability for distracted driving.
We expose them to the technology in the driving simulator, and we also see how they respond to different distracting tasks. So we measure their driving behavior, like their speed and their acceleration, but we also measure their eye movements to see exactly what they're looking at when they're driving.
And what this will help us to do is to understand how individuals with ADHD might function differently when there are distractions or when there are automated features.
We are trying to unpack which aspects of attention in youth with and without ADHD place them at the most risk for distracted driving.
The research that we do here will hopefully inform policy that has to do with distracted driving, because now we have quantitative evidence of how dangerous it can be when you're doing distracting tasks, and at the same time, how new technology can sometimes allow you to do those distracting tasks, but still not compromise the task of driving.
With this understanding, we can help to promote inclusion and provide assistance through possibly targeted trainings.
When I was a graduate student, I got to see how my little brother learned how to drive. And for me, it was an eye-opening experience, because I saw that as times change, generations see different things in terms of what's in the car.
What I've gained by working with Professor Roberts has been an alternative perspective on our research.
When you collaborate with someone who's outside of your discipline, you learn so much more. They are exposed to contacts and research and different tools and techniques that we've never heard of, but that are incredibly valuable for enhancing our research.